Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Drax and we're going to give you a tour of Fairway Estates. Now this is one of the top developments in Jamaica. It's probably the number one development in Drax and that speaks volumes because Drax is the fastest growing area in Jamaica. Now Drax is built off the Richmond Estate model and this development, Fairway Estate, is the closest thing you're going to come to Richmond Estate outside of the Richmond Estate model. So Richmond Estate is by far the number one development you will find in Jamaica and some say the Caribbean. We have videos up of it, you can check it out. But it's very similar to this development. Well laid out, single family homes, nice landscaped area, and it was a huge success. They sold out immediately. They actually had 5 or 6 phases completely sold out. So Drax now started to model their developments off that model, and it worked perfectly. Now Drax has thousands of homes and far bigger than Richmond Estate. Thousands built, thousands more under construction. So we are going to give you an update on this development. Fairway Estate is one of the most sought after residential developments on Jamaica's north coast, located within the Drax area of St. Ann. Positioned just minutes from Ocho Rios, the community represents modern Caribbean living combining comfort, security, and convenience in a rapidly developing region. Over the years, Fairway Estate has grown into a preferred choice for professionals, returning residents, retirees, and investors seeking a peaceful yet well-connected lifestyle. The estate is known for its well-planned layout and gated environment, which offers residents a strong sense of safety and privacy. Homes within Fairway Estate are designed with modern architecture, featuring open concept layouts, spacious bedrooms, and contemporary finishes. Many houses include landscape yards and outdoor areas that support relaxed living and family interaction. The overall design promotes a calm, orderly atmosphere that appeals to both full-time residents and those using the property as a vacation home. One of Fairway's estate's strongest advantages is its strategic location. Situated along the North Coast Corridor, it provides easy access to major commercial centers, beaches, and tourist attractions. Residents are only a short drive from Ocho Rios, where shopping centers, restaurants, entertainment facilities, and essential services are readily available. Popular attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, Dolphin Cove, and Mystic Mountain are also nearby, making the area attractive to both locals and overseas buyers. In conclusion, Fairway Estate stands as a symbol of modern residential development in St. Ann. With its secure environment, strategic location, and quality housing, it represents a smart blend of comfort, convenience, and long-term value. As development continues along Jamaica's north coast, Fairway Estates remains a strong example of sustainable and attractive community living. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.